Last night, as I do every Sunday night, I make a point to watch 60 Minutes. And what happened last night gave me total confidence that what I'm doing in my investment portfolio is exactly what I need to do, and I will end up making more money over the next 5 years, 10 years than I ever have in my life. I will accumulate more wealth in the next 5 years than I have in the past 80 years. And it was all as a result of an interview that I saw with Demis Hassabis, the CEO of Google's Deepmind. I want you to see that video in case you missed it, but I don't want you to wait for the whole 16-minute video to hear the most important element of the video that comes at the 9-minute and 54 point. Here is what he said. This is why I know that what I'm doing in my portfolio is the right thing, even though it's down another $10,000 this morning.
Proteins are the basic building blocks of life. So everything in biology, everything in your body depends on proteins. You know, your neurons firing, your muscle fibers twitching, it's all mediated by proteins.
But 3D protein structures like this are so complex, less than 1% were known. Mapping each one used to take years. Deepmind's AI model did 200 million in 1 year. Now, Hassabis has AI blazing through solutions to drug development.
So on average, it takes, 10 years and billions of dollars to design just one drug. We can maybe reduce that down from years to maybe months or maybe even weeks, which sounds incredible today, but that's also what people used to think about protein structures. It would revolutionize human health. And I think one day, maybe we can cure all disease with the help of AI.
The end of disease?
I think that's within reach. Maybe within the next decade or so. I don't see why not.
Okay, so then why am I feeling so confident? Because I've spent the last year building Carrie's tell sheet. I've spent the last year educating myself as to who are the players. I knew about Deepmind. I know about the Nobel Peace Prize. I know these people are taking us into a new world that is going to change everything. And I know who the players are. Over the last year, I have been teaching myself what is a semiconductor? How does it relate to a wafer? Why is it that there's only one company that has the capabilities to make Jensen Huang's GPUs? And by the way, why does Jensen Huang make anything, or how does he relate to Broadcom? And how does that relate to Google making their own chips? And how does this all fit together? And what is the financial strength of the 60 companies that are in this universe? And how are they going to survive what Demis is telling me is going to happen over the next 10 years? And where are they going to fit in? And that's all on my tell sheet. That's where I want to help you make good investment decisions. But right now, I want you to hear the rest of what Demis has to say so that you understand what's happening today. And I just checked again. It's now down $12,000. It makes no difference whatsoever, rather than the fact that I went to 50% cash about a month ago, and I'm dollar cost averaging into these stocks as they're going down, because these are the stocks that Demis is talking about that is going to cure disease and create abundance. Watch this and then learn to understand the implications of this. Do you understand the implications of this? This is the investment opportunity of your lifetime.